In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use import range to link two Google Sheets seamlessly. This powerful Google Sheets function is incredibly useful for managing data across multiple spreadsheets, enabling you to pull specific ranges of data from one sheet into another. Whether you're a small business owner, a student, or just someone who wants to streamline their workflow, mastering this function can save you a lot of time and effort. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you need to open a Google Sheet where you want to import the data. If you don't have a specific sheet ready, just create a new one or open an existing sheet where you want the data to appear. Once your sheet is open, click on cell A1. This will be the starting point where your imported data will begin to populate. It's important to select your desired starting cell, as the data will be placed in this cell and will extend to adjacent cells depending on the amount of information you're importing. Now it's time to type in the critical piece of this process, the import range formula. In the selected cell, you will input the formula as follows. Import range, https://docs, google.com, spreadsheets, D1ZHBVV UPN6WPB5Y MNYTIHXD MZOFUA3PM6Z9H80F.WO A1G12. Let's break that down. The URL within the quotation marks is the link to the spreadsheet from which you want to import data. Make sure the URL is correct and that you have access to the spreadsheet. The range, specified as A1G12 in this example, tells Google Sheets which cells from the source spreadsheet you want to import. You can adjust this range based on your needs. After typing in the formula, press the Enter key. This action triggers the function to work its magic. Google Sheets will now attempt to establish a connection between the two sheets. This might take a moment, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. At this point, Google Sheets will likely present a small pop-up asking for permission to link the two documents. This is a security measure to ensure you control which sheets can access your data. So go ahead and click on Allow Access. Once you grant permission, your data should appear in the destination sheet almost instantly. If everything was set up correctly, you will see the range of cells from your source spreadsheet now visible in the target document. And that's it. You've successfully used the import range function to link two Google Sheets. Remember that the original spreadsheet's data updates will automatically reflect in your target sheet, keeping all your information current without any additional effort. Give it a try and see how it can enhance your spreadsheet tasks today.